Wellix, committed to health excellence. Respiratory problems like bronchitis, asthma, and emphysema cause inflammation and tightening of airways. Smoking, infections, and allergies are the prime culprits. As breathing becomes difficult, the oxygen level in blood drops, and in extreme situations can even prove fatal. Mucus clogs the bronchioles, thereby impairing the oxygenation of blood, causing respiratory problems. The symptoms are wheezing, coughing, shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, phlegm and running nose. And the causes? Inhalation of pollutants, allergies to pollution, pollen, dust, intake of allergic substances, smoking, intake of refrigerated foods and drinks, exposure to cold. The solution: Asmo. Asmo contains herbs like Glycyrrhiza glabra. It is an expectorant and a bronchodilator with antibacterial properties. Adatora vasica, a demulcent and expectorant. It strengthens the respiratory tract and reduces irritation in the throat. Asmo treats cough promptly, liquefies sputum, facilitates expectoration, supports and strengthens the fragile tissues of the respiratory system, restores normal breathing, clears respiratory congestion, helps dilation of the bronchial tubes, combats rhinitis, runny nose. It is the best tonic for the lungs. Asmo works best in combination with Lax and Vigo for men or Vita for women. Bringing the best and purest of Ayurveda to you.